At this point, the return of the Big Bubble Air Max 95 is no longer limited to longtime sneaker collectors. With major collaborations involving global brands and pop culture franchises, the silhouette has once again taken a central role in Nike's lineup. Its renewed visibility has helped introduce the model to a wider audience while still satisfying its loyal fanbase. Beyond general release colorways, Nike continues to explore lesser-known chapters of the Air Max 95 archive. One of the standout revivals is the Air Max 95 Zip, a design that first appeared in 2001. After bringing back the original Loyal Blue, Nike now expands the line with a fresh Phantom colorway. This version contrasts earlier darker styles by featuring an off-white shroud and textured suede panels, balanced by black collars and outsoles for a clean finish. The Nike Air Max 95 Zip Phantom is expected to release in spring 2026 with an estimated retail price of $210.